All right.
Hey, hey, hey.
What's been going on in your world? I ain't heard from you in a minute.
Well, let's see. There's always something going on.
Yes.
Let me see. I was trying to get the camera here. Well, I look kind of busted tonight. We'll keep the camera off. Let's see. What's going on? I got 2 new people, and they are excellent. They're phenomenal. So finally, they're like, we're gonna rock with you. We at the ground level. We want to grow with your company and all that good stuff, right? So, and it came through from referrals. So I was like, okay, this is wonderful. So yeah, everything has been working out so far.
Awesome.
And they've been there like a month now. So they've been with me for a month. So
they've been with you for a whole month. Good, good. Yep. Are they employees?
They are employees, yes.
Awesome. Look at
they are employees. And I have a oh my God. So yesterday I have a new subcontractor, right?
Okay.
And I go and inspect their property and I'm like, dude, you've been here since like 10:50. It is now 5:30.
Oh my
What
God.
have you been doing? I go and start inspecting. I'm looking, the microwave haven't been cleaned out. The stove haven't been cleaned out. The refrigerator wasn't clean. Towels are missing from the bed. I'm like, what the hell was you doing all this time? I'm like, that's a deduction because I saved 45 minutes to clean. So now I got to deduct pay, which I put in his service agreement, so he already know, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the service agreement that I have, I think I need either you to look at it or just send me your service agreement.
Okay.
If you don't mind. But it's in there that
service agreement for your independent contractor.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Gotcha. I can send it to you.
Oh my God. So I was dealing with that yesterday, and he was like, I was just off my game. Because you know what? When you get these people, right? And I think Right on Time said it. When you get these people, they start off good. Like the first time the first time they doing a job for you, they doing real good, right? Mm-hmm. I'm learning this. Okay. I'm learning this. Yep. They do real good. They put their best foot forward. And then the next time, they missing stuff. The next time, I'm like, what the heck? What? Wait a minute. The first time you did wonderful. I'm giving you praises. So I'm going to stop giving people praises.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that. We're not doing that no more.
Welcome to my world, baby. They all do that. You never know a person really until you get out there in the field and you try them out for a month or two. You know, you got to get the rapport of that person.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because they start off good. They want to be wild, you girl.
Yeah. Talking all that good Gucci stuff. Yeah.
The real foolishness don't start until 5 months down the line. That's when you really get to see who they are.
So check it. This is what I said I was going to do, and I'm doing this with my employees. So, Oh my God, y'all know it's always something going on with me. So with my employees, so I told them what I'm gonna do because no one likes to look at this checklist. No one wants to look at the checklist. So I said, okay, if I gotta come in here and if I gotta clean behind you, 1 is a deduction. 2, if I still gotta clean up behind you, you're gonna take pictures of everything on this checklist. Mm-hmm. So they're like, okay, yeah, okay. Y'all gonna do it right, or you gonna do it the easy way, or you gonna do it my way. Now, which one is it? So they like, okay, well that's fair. Yeah. And it's like 68 items on my checklist. So you're gonna send me, you're gonna stand there and you're gonna do everything on that checklist, and you're gonna take pictures of each and every item on that checklist. So I know you've done it. So when I go into that property to inspect, it should be no problem at all. None. So I haven't had a problem yet.
That's good. How many workers you got now, Miss Mattie?
So a total, there's 4.
Awesome.
4 workers, and then I have 2 subcontractors.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Look at you. You are growing, girl.
I'm
Moving into
trying.
24 with a bang.
Okay, I'm trying. I am trying. Miss Tamika,
Okay.
is she there? Is she somewhere near you?
Yes, I'm
Miss
right
Tamika, I'm
here.
coming.
Right
I'm
here.
coming. Hopefully January. We're gonna speak it. Let's say January, okay? Let's speak that. January, I'm gonna hit you up. Let's get this program rolling.
I'm ready. Let's get it. Let's go.
That's all right.
ready.
All right.
Okay. All right, girl. Man. Oh,
Yeah.
my goodness, honey. Well, that's good news to hear about your two good people that you got.
The two good.
That's good news. That's always good news. You got to keep
two
them
good
happy.
ones. Yeah,
Keep them
definitely.
happy
Definitely.
And keep them busy.
Right. That's what I'm trying to do. Keep them busy. Like they're the main ones that I'm focusing on. We had our first company meet. Oh, we having our first company holiday party on the 16th. So I'm excited about that. Everyone's excited about that.
Yes.
I will. Definitely. I'm gonna post them up. Definitely.
Definitely
So
send me some pictures of that.
yes, I will. So everyone is excited about that. We're gonna do like the cookie exchange. We're gonna do the we're gonna do a potluck, but we're gonna have it at my house because we have a nice size house here. So we're gonna do it at my house, and then we're gonna do so we're gonna have some food catered too, But then everyone is gonna, because we don't know how people cook. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah,
they may have cats sitting on top of the counter while they cooking and
I don't want nobody
licking off
bringing
the
no food.
spoon.
Cater that food, honey.
We are gonna cater it. We are gonna have some food here that we know is
Right.
But everyone wanted to bring something, so I said, okay, y'all can do that. That's fine. But we gonna have enough food for everybody though, just in case. And so we're gonna do the cookie exchange. We're gonna do the ugly Christmas sweater contest. We're gonna have karaoke. We're gonna have games, and we're gonna have like music. So we're gonna have a bunch of fun.
That's what's up.
Yeah,
I love it.
So I'm excited about that. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
See, and you can utilize all of the footage. You can utilize that to get more employees into your company because it shows your company culture.
Yes.
So make sure that you're taking a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, posting on your website. If you decide to give any of your employees awards or something, pictures with their award, and post that stuff on your website. So when people are looking for a job, they see your company culture. Like, damn, this is a plain field environment. You winning awards. They're having parties. You know what I mean?
Oh, I love it. Oh my God.
Definitely.
You got me going. You got the wheels are spinning right now. Oh my God.
You got to. But you're doing the right thing. Capture capture that moment. Capture it. Utilize it to bring in more people. Definitely.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, we'll do. Absolutely.
All right, ladies.
So that's it for me for now. So.
Okay. Well, I'm proud of you. Please do keep us posted.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to be spinning our wheel again. I think your name was on our last wheel too, Miss Mattie.
Oh, yeah.
You and Miss Charlotte. Where's Miss Charlotte? I think Miss Charlotte left. But me and Miss Tamika, we're going to be spinning the wheel again on Friday night. Okay.
I'm going to try to be on.
The winner we had couldn't accept the prize. So we got to spin it again.
Okay. All right.
I'm looking up
Friday. I'm trying
to get. Did you see the email, Miss Johnson?
Your email is Beautiful Beginnings, right?
Yes. _72.
Got it.
Yes. Okay.
I got it. So just look out for that video, and then look out for those service agreements, ladies.
Thank you. Thank you again, Miss Johnson. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Right, thank you, guys.
Okay, see you next week.
Thank you.
Kids in bed. Hey, if you're a cleaning business owner and you're looking for a networking event, a conference to go to of like-minded entrepreneurs just like you that's in the cleaning industry and looking to learn and grow and be inspired and all that good stuff, look no further. Clean Biz Network is doing it again, okay? 2024, February the 28th, all the way to March the 1st. Okay, this is a 3-day event. And this time we're going to be in Vegas, all right? So we got some heavy hitters that will be speaking on stage. Debbie Zardon, she's coming back. She's going to be one of the first speakers that we have, and she always kills it. I mean, Marquell Russell will be hitting the stage this time, okay? He is the king of client attraction. Not only that, but we got Eric Coffey, who will be hitting the stage. If you are interested in any government contracts, that's the dude you need to be talking to, okay? Not only that, but DJ The Boss will be there. Raylan will be there from the Hustle Network, man. Also, Carolyn will be there, the Cleaning Business Mentor. Man, it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna have so much fun. It's hosted by your girl. It's founded by Mr. AJ Simmons from Clean Biz Network. Man, listen, we are gonna have a ball. If you wanna meet me and all my wonderful friends, make sure you click the link in bio and get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute, okay? You need to get your plane ticket and get your room and get your outfit and get all that stuff done now. All right, don't wait until February. Get it done now, okay? Trying to help you out. I'm out of here. Bye.